Namaste. Do you wonder if you are meditating the right way? Let's learn about the universal meditation postures. Everything you need to know about meditation posture, we're going to be covering up right now. So if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. We will cover the different ways of sitting down for your meditation practice in a while. Before that, let's see all the other important things that you need to know. Your spine should be straight so that you can feel uplifted. You can rest your hands on your knees, on your lap, or simply place your right hand on top of your left with your thumbs slightly touching, resting them on your lap at your navel. This creates more heat and energy in the body. Left hand represents wisdom and right one represents compassion. So you're bringing the two together. Relaxing the shoulders, tucking in your chin, then opening the jaw by relaxing the muscles in your face so that your jaw is hanging open. Resting your gaze ahead of you on the ground, or just close your eyes. This is just a basic way to sit for your meditation practice, but you can find your own way in which you are most comfortable. There are different ways of sitting down for your meditation practice. First one is quarter lotus. So in this, you're just sitting on your meditation seat with loosely crossed legs and feet below the opposite knee. You can always go back and just watch it again. The next one is half lotus. For this, you can use your hands to bring your right foot on top of your left calf with the sole of your foot facing upwards. This is a little advanced posture, but you can always start with quarter lotus. So one more time, use your hands to bring your right foot on top of your left calf with your sole of foot facing upwards. Next one is full lotus. This is also similar to half lotus, but this time your both legs are crossed with both feet resting on top of your opposite thighs. I find it most difficult to sit in this position, but you can always try some other meditation postures if you find it difficult. So one more time, put your both legs with both feet resting on top of the opposite thighs. Next one is Burmese position. So if crossing your legs are not your thing, that's fine. Just sitting with both feet lying on the floor in this position is also great. Also, if you need, you can also grab a cushion to sit on it so that you feel most comfortable while practicing meditation. Next one is Caesar position. So sitting with your legs crossed, you can kneel and place a cushion or yoga props between legs. So this is more like a thunderbolt or hero pose. So for this, you can use a yoga block to sit on it. And even if you want, you can use a blanket if your knees are hurting. This is a great way to sit and relax, and you can meditate in this posture if you feel comfortable in that. Not all the postures are for you, so you just find your own way of doing meditation in which you are most comfortable, and then there is no distraction while you're meditating. Yes, you can do this. If you don't want to sit on the ground, you can use a chair. Make sure to sit away from the back of the chair and place your feet firmly on the ground, aligned with hips and knees. If you get value out of this video, or if you have any questions regarding meditation, please leave a comment and I will get back to you. Also, if you like this video, please consider subscribing